Hello everyone, let's discuss about the new report which came up yesterday. So like about the new constructions, okay? The basically the low-rise homes were already having a very good momentum. Like once the HST and GST rebates was introduced, so there is a very good momentum which is happening. So this is the report which is of like June, for the month of June in 2026. So what it says is like if you go through, like the number of sales have been like increasing in the low rise homes, and also slightly in the condo segment, okay? Like the price is nowhere near the all-time high of 2022, but the prices are already bottomed up, and it is like turning towards a like upward momentum here. 1,175 new home sales in GTA in June. Good momentum is taking place in the both in the high rise and also low rise the build-ups. But low rise has got a very high demand. High rise is just like just trying to turn around from the bottom. Okay, so in case if you're looking to buy anything in low rise, there are a lot of good deals, like especially for the townhomes in the range of around like say 800,000. If you're looking at anything in GTA, so there are plenty of options are there. Like you can go through this article. Like I will link this article in the description. So feel free to get connected. I just want to give you this information where like the properties are just like market is just trying to get ahead now, just because of the HST and GST rebate program which is announced by the government. Thank you so much, guys.